Okay.
Right,
So-
just turn it on.
My friends fighting over there. I need to pick up my controllers. Alright. Do not hit me. Because I'm making a video right now and I'm going to try to do something. What did I just say? Okay.
Okay, that was the last time. I just like hitting it.
Alright.
Aside from
So now you guys are like a mini POV. Like that's pretty cool. Yo, my car has its own POV. Let's get a range look on Danny DeVito. Oop. Oh, wait, what the? I swear that thing hit me.
turn the knockback protection on.
I do not have knockback protection. That looks like knockback protection to you. Car! Look! Car! No! Guys! No. There's a car right behind you, Danny. Oh wait, it's the FBI. Hold up. Nope. I'm holding on to this, so if you can't do anything. Stop, bro. Bro, just trying to play with the cars, bro. Bro, stop. Yo, we're just trying to play with the cars. We're just trying to play with the cars. Okay? Why didn't you just say so?
I need to control it too.
Bro. Okay. Missed. I think you missed.
Hit that controller. I need it.
You missed.
I need that controller. Give me that.
Danny. Bro, you're not getting one at this point.
I already have one, bud.
Yeah, because you can. Well, you can go in reverse with the other controller.
Yeah, can I get another one? Thanks.
Alright.
Oh, no!
Yo, where'd, owner of the map go?
See, my barbacoa might have died.
Yeah, you're just trying to kill him on purpose.
I was trying to do the ramp.
You're trying to kill it on purpose. Alright. Because they're not called barbacoas. Let's just. Nope. Guys, are you still alive? Alright. Oh, nope.
My barbacoa! No! No!
No! Okay, good. I can survive the ramp. I like the new trick. Hey, watch it.
Give me, bruh.
What?
Thank you.
Alright. This is like pretty cool. The fact that we can do this. Yeah, I need a new barbacoa.
I need a new barbacoa.
Okay. How do you both of you need a new barbacoa? Grab it!
Give me one.
You're gonna keep hitting me, so now you're gonna keep hitting me. You're gonna keep hitting me. I'm sorry.
Okay, so you want me to hit you now?
No, I do not want you to hit me.
Then why do you say you gotta keep hitting me?
Because you're gonna hit me, so you don't deserve one. You missed. Okay. Get this camera over here. Ah! 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 Yo, I thought that was enough. Oh, yep, see ya.
Sorry.
Bro! What will make you get away from me? Bro, you just hit me, so. Why'd you just hit me? Why'd you hit me? Why'd you hit me? Why'd you hit me? Huh? Why'd you hit me? Why'd you hit me? Why'd you hit me? You don't deserve this. You're lucky you even got one. Alright. What did I do?
Bro froze himself.
Actually going crazy.
Can't touch this, can't touch this. Ow.
Yo, hold up.
El Cheeto.
This battle's going crazy, guys.
You're in battle now.
What did I do? What did I do? I'm the cameraman. Yo, look at that. Yo, what did I do? What did I do? You seedling! Yeah, imagine.
Bro really just turned on knockback protection. I don't have knockback protection.
Cap.
Y'all are freezing me.
Hey, we need to put the camera. What the?
Yeah, cause Dane, you started this, bro.
What did I do? Hey, our point. You literally started this. Fine, you want a new one? Why didn't you just ask for it? Nope, you don't deserve one. See ya. What? See ya! Oh, thank you for the boost. Here, take one. Danny!
Oh, dink-a-dink.
I'm giving you one. Why are you hitting me? I'm literally giving you one. Like, here, take it.
Okay.
Now hit me. Okay, if I give you this car, you can never hit me. Nope, not even once. Alright? Here you go.
Okay.
No, I just gave you it. What do you mean?
Alright, yeah, no.
What? Yo, it's right over there! It's right over there! Why are you hitting me? That's it. Give me this car back. Yeah, you can actually take it. Oh, you're hitting me for no reason to let out your anger? You don't even have anger issues.
That was a crazy snipe. That was a crazy snipe.
Fine. If I gave you a car, you can't hit anyone, okay? But what did I just say? You're not getting it. This is actually annoying, bro. I'm just trying to record a video and like this Vito keeps hitting me. Yo, can you stop? Where's temporary knockback protection? I don't know. Hello. So I guess that'll be it for today's video. No. So. Video guys.
Trevor, I've had my own this whole time.
Are you hitting me then? Why were you hitting me, bro? I didn't do anything.
Because did you stop recording that video?
Alright, so that'll be it for today's video. So I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I gotta end the video.
Right.